Morning from Cachuma Lake recreation area. Today I'm shooting the Nikon Z8 and I actually rented a Tamron it's a 150 to 500. So I'm gonna be doing some shooting here. It's just a day's drive from LA. So we'll be here for the day. So I'm just gonna do some shooting and kind of share what I find. It's a nice campground area which are typically good for finding birds, and it's just 8 in the morning. It's gonna be a hot one though, but let's go. There's a lot of acorn woodpeckers up here. Saw a flock of turkeys while driving up here. I didn't have a camera though, and California quails as well. So it's kind of getting warm in the day, so I might not get too much, but we'll find out shortly. So far, from what I can see from this lens, it's pretty sharp. The only difference is I'm so used to shooting with a crop sensor, and that's at 600 millimeters. And with the 1.5 crop, what is it? Yeah, I'll put the math down here, 950. And this is going up to 500 on a full frame. So I am just not used to that reach. There's like a lot of room in the frame. One of the main reasons I got the Z8 is to be able to seamlessly switch from stills to video, and I can do that handheld. I'll show you some acorn woodpeckers I was just shooting a few minutes ago, just hand holding, and it seems pretty stable in camera. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end it there. I actually just got this lens yesterday and slapped it on the camera and came out with it this morning. So I have it for about 10 days or so, so I'll go ahead and probably do a comprehensive review by then. But so far so good. The reason I actually rented it was I was trying to figure out which lens to get for this Z8, but I think I will stick with the Nikon lens, the 180 to 600. But let's see what this does. But otherwise, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.